Spline just launched their own AI tool called Omma. And along with the launch, they're giving $15,000 away to you guys as cash prizes. So let's check out Omma, what it has to offer, all the cool features that helps it stand out from all the other AI tools in the market, and also how you can win the cash prize. With a simple prompt of what you would like to create, it can generate a very advanced looking 3D interactive website. Look at this one, for example. It was able to build this interactive 3D website with this Minecraft aesthetic in just a few minutes. Not only that, it's added animation and interaction to it. It can be used for 5 to 6 crucial things. One is to build an interactive gaming experience. It can add everything from your keyboard interaction to actual 3D models, to scenes, to environments, etc. It's not always perfect. It totally depends on the prompt. You can even convert 2D data from a graph, from say an Excel sheet, or connect it to your analytics. You can even add and make product. You can ask the tool to create something like this, and it will add things like sound, interactions, animations, light effects, etc. to make something like this possible. And even simulations. So if you're looking to simulate water, realistic water, for your website, you can do that with this. If you're looking to create simulation of particle effects, you can do that. It also gives you so many different options to add or to import things from other platforms. So if you're building a website or you've built a website already, you want to add 3D interactions or 3D graphics and stuff like that, you can import an entire URL. So if you have a website, it can recreate that website for you. Remember these cool glass card animations that we used to make during the glassmorphism trend? Let's try and recreate this with Omma. All right, so here in my browser inside omma.build, I will just add my image that I have. I'll add an image reference from Leonard Usmani. I'll say import image. I just say create a glass credit card and add parallax animations, mouse hover movements, and 3D shapes and element. If I click on augment, it just expands this and makes it much more detailed, which I really like. And I'll click on go. Not only is it creating the 3D object, but also writing the code for me, which will be really good when I'm either trying to hand this off, add it to my own website, or just launch it from here. As you can see, it looks really nice, and it's generated all the code and created everything, even offering suggestions to change something. But the lighting effect, even the text is real. If you notice this, if I hover over this, there's a very slight light which just pops up, which is nice. It even has all the code written out. Unfortunately, everything's in line. It's not separate files. I would have liked it to be separate files. You have version history, which is nice, download and publish. So yes, you can publish to a custom domain from right here if you have purchased a domain. You can publish to the community, which you can contribute to. Now, how do you win $15,000 worth cash prizes? Now, Spline and Contra are doing this build-a-thon where you can build a 3D experience like so. The top 2 will get $5,000. 2 people will get second place with 2,000 USD. And of course, one honorable mention with $1,000. I'll have a link in the description. Please read through the guidelines. I think Omma is a great new addition. If you're looking to create 3D experiences, you can use this in tangent with other tools like Figma Make or Codex or whatever AI tools you use. You can use this along with that. For more such design content every single week, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time. Until next time, take care. God bless.